Dark clouds of gloom fell over Pakistan cricket after they were knocked out of Cricket World Cup following defeat by debutants Ireland.
It's a big blow for Pakistan cricket.
But worse was about to come as a day later. The coach of Pakistan's cricket team, Bob Woolmer, was found unconscious in his hotel room. He was later found to be dead. His death led to initial speculation that he had been murdered by an angry fan or by an illegal betting syndicate. Shortly afterwards, Jamaican police announced that they were opening a murder investigation into Woolmer's death. 3 months of thorough investigation by Jamaican police, who were assisted by detectives from Scotland Yard, returned no evidence of murder, and thus the announcement that Woolmer died of natural causes. All in all, Robert Andrew Woolmer was an international cricketer, a professional cricket coach and also professional commentator. He played in 19 test matches and 6 one-day internationals for England and later coached in South Africa, Warwickshire and Pakistan. They often say cricket in the subcontinent is a matter of life and death. Unfortunately for Bob Woolmer, that euphemism became an unfortunate reality.